This is the new Gerbing heated jacket, 7 volt, and we are lucky enough to be testing it today. You have a little pocket and a battery that clips in and out. You have this button here, and you hold it down, semi-warm, warmer, red. We are ready to try it at the spot right now, so see you in a second. Woo!
And as if by magic,
We are here at the spot. The bikes are ready, we're ready.
I'm on full temperature.
Me too. It's cold, but it doesn't feel cold.
Thanks to Gerbing, it's like being on a beach.
So guys, we have had a whole training session with these amazing jackets. How have you felt wearing summer?
Toasty. I could wear it under my armour as a base layer, and it's heated, so in the freezing cold, it's really nice to be able to just ride, and then when you get warm, just turn it down.
Are you excited to be wearing it in the garage as well? Because I know that you get some really cold days in the garage.
Yeah, it's going to make a big difference, like having to wear so many clothes you can hardly move. Now, yeah, just put this on and a hoodie over the top, sorted. On the bike, under your jackets, stay warm.
And
Brilliant.
It's really nice and thin, you know, you can see here, I don't know if you can see this, but it's basically a jacket liner, so it's really nice and thin. It would fit very nicely under your motorcycle clothing.
And it's got like a really wind-proof, waterproof zip on the front. So even if it's not on, it's going to cut down the wind chill.
And we really enjoyed riding with them today. It's a pretty cold day today. We can't feel it at all. I've currently got like a really, really warm neck and a really warm back. It's made winter a completely different time of year for me.
And also, obviously, because it's the 7 volt system, we're completely free to move around the bike. Obviously the 12 volt system is a bit more powerful and they plug into your bikes, but this one is perfectly adequate for us.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully this has been an informative video.
Massive thanks to Gerbing Heated Clothing
And the Motoport store for giving us these lovely pockets of warmth and love.
And so in the winter and the cold, we stayed very toasty.
Hopefully we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!